fish mean a deep chrome mean a deep dome. After a massage and a menage, we got in the shower, let water trickle down the back of the crack of their booty. Got out the tub and went back to the master bedroom. One put on Prada, one put on Louis, y'all put on Gucci. Duty calls, I'm about to hit the scene of ball, but before I leave, I spray on some Issey Miyagi. Take my truck up to the wash, put the sparkle back on, wax off like Mr. Miyagi. Go to the liquor store so I can get blunts, get yak, so I can sip some while I split one. Chronicle into every follicle of my body, calming down every molecule, making sure I don't trip none. Hit one. Up in the ride, come and kick it with me, so I can take you through the so 100 block and show you how my people be kicking it in the Windy City. I wanna show you where I hang out at, where we make God scratch, where we sit on leather gripping wood, where the hustles got packs and the G's got stacks and the pimps got lax, rolling through the hood, and it feels so good, so good, y'all in my breaking rain, through my hood, you know the beat switching lane is understood, all the living pimpers made, leather wood, it feels so good.
Hey, it's Honey, aka Harriet, aka Honey, and this is my new intro, so go ahead and give that thumbs up, that like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on my Facebook at Harriet Griffin, Honey Bear in parentheses, or you can hit me up at harrietgriffin.33 on my Instagram. I also have a Poshmark, so you can hit that up, and that's Ronnie 2027. So I hope you guys like the new intro.
Give the love when I hit the club, got a weekend, it's the weekend, and the DJ pop a tattoos. Track move like some southern black blues, or like a coupe got cruise and they got shoes. It's like a bruise, I stand up be the hottest rap dude. Ride to this when you peel your hood. You can go around the block or travel the whole world. When you come back and steal your hood, and it feels so good. So good, y'all in my breaking rain, through my hood, you know the beat switching lanes, it's understood, all the living pimpers made, leather wood, it feels so good. I spit some game with some intellect to the.
Hey my loves, hey my peoples, hey my guys, hey my folks, hey, it's Harriet aka Honey, and I'm back with another quick video for you guys. And when I say quick, please believe me, this one is gonna be really quick. So I just kind of wanted to put myself out there. Like you guys know, if you're giving that thumbs up, that liking and subscribing, and you're following me on my Facebook, you're following me on my Instagram, and I'm even on TikTok, what's happening? I'm trying to pretty much put out there to everybody, I'm trying to get some collabs together. Whether you're a YouTuber or you just have a love for fashion, makeup, hair, food, mukbang, whatever, let's get together and create some videos. I want to put the 206 on the map. I'm trying to find other YouTubers in the Seattle area, so if you guys are out there, get at me. And it don't matter, I don't care if you're all the way across the country, if you're in another country. I'm coming at you with some realness, and I'm basically saying let's do some collab videos, let's get it together. Also just want to yet again tell you guys to please give that thumbs up, that like and subscribe. Let me know what type of videos you want to see. I will be uploading at weekly. There'll be a new video, so we doing it, you know, and we doing it big, you know. So I just kind of wanted to just do this video to give shots out and give support to everybody that's been supporting me. Thank you so much. If you're new, thank you, because that's what's going to help me get to my goal, is the more people that like and subscribe. And I just want to give a shout out to everybody that's in the game, that's been doing it a lot longer than me. Mad respect. I'm hoping one day soon I can work with everybody, and you know, we could just get it together. And like I said, if you don't know, I just want to say quickly what I plan to bring to YouTube. Besides my beautiful face, I know. I'm a bad bee. I know that. But no, besides my beautifulness, I want to bring elegance to YouTube. I want to bring collabs to YouTube. I want to be working with everybody, from being a stripper to being a cook to eating, whatever it is. I want to work with everybody, show everybody my brightness. I want to do makeup. I want to do hair. My love what you guys should know if you're following, but you may not, you may be new. I love to cook, I love to eat, I love to bring people together with food, and that's what I want to bring to YouTube. And also, I want to bring that realness. I want to call the shots out, because I will keep telling you, I'm not going to promote anything. I ain't going to wear nothing. I'm not putting nothing on my face. I'm not going to eat nothing and bring it to you guys that I personally would not do myself. So if you see me eating it, you see me enjoying it, I'm bringing it to you. If I don't like it, whether it's sponsored or not, if I don't like it, if I feel there's some logistics, we're going to research it. You know what I'm saying? And we're going to just talk about it all. I mean, we can go from Donald Trump. There's a lot I got to say about that one. Because I don't really understand this big YouTube thing about black folks liking Donald Trump. We don't want to talk about any other president. Yes, no president is perfect. We all know that very well. But I promise you, we can all stand up and say that with the previous president, you never had to worry about your child going to school and getting a noodle split. You never had an outlandish president that was so racist and let it be known that he was so racist. I don't know how black folks could even, I don't even like to hear him. I have to hear him so I educate myself, and I know what I'm saying before I speak. That's how it is. But to be honest with you, he's full of BS. And for anyone to say, oh, he's real, no, he's far from real. Because we have yet to get one clear statement when he's been confronted with tweets. This man tweets more than a high school teenager. And he's been confronted and he still denies it. So maybe that's why y'all supposedly like him. I'd like to know what y'all think. Leave them comments down below, because I can't seem to understand why we want to say we like Donald Trump when the country is in turmoil. And I don't want to get into more than that, but I just had to get my little piece about that, because I've been seeing some men out there on that YouTube talking about, oh, he's real. No. A real man would at least stood up and said, I don't recall saying that. A real man would never say something, oh, I didn't say that, and then they hit you with the tweet and the messages that you said it. You keep getting hit with the realness and you keep denying it. So how could any true real person, whether they black, white, whatever they is, even think to want to, I don't know how you guys voted him in. I ain't knocking nobody for voting him in. Whatever you feel is what you feel, but he need to be gone. And I'll go say more into what I really feel, and I don't care, because I wish a person would tell me. Someone need to put a bullet in his head, and we'll end it there. And I want it to be a white girl. A lot of people around me want that. But that's just the commentary that you're going to get. That's just the little realness that you're going to get from me, because I don't want to sugarcoat. Roses really do smell like boo-boo. So anyway, that's a shout out just to let you know what you guys can be guaranteed from honey, from Harriet, is the realness. And I want to meet with everybody else, because there's some really good people out there on YouTube that I just feel would excite you guys, and we could bring you some videos that you really will like and enjoy. So anyway, please give that thumbs up, that like, and subscribe. Continue to follow me. For everybody that's new, keep coming. Tell your friends, your family, please, to support. And close it out, because I did keep this under 10 minutes. I'm so proud of myself. If you already don't know, I'm going to say it one more time. My Facebook is Harriet, Harriett, Griffin, Griffin, and that's Honey, HoniBare in parentheses, on my Facebook. My Instagram is HarrietGriffin.33. My Poshmark is Ronnie, RONNIE 2027, and that's at Poshmark. And my TikTok is actually hooked to my Instagram, so I'm pretty positive it's probably the same name for my TikTok, and I'm gonna try to promote videos up there and on my YouTube to kind of just get out there. So get at me, you guys. I love you guys. I thank everybody that's supporting me, and let's just keep going, and I'll see you guys soon. Oh yeah, and I had the kisses on for you guys. The kisses for all my kisses. I'll see you guys soon.